So today we're going to be doing a vacuum check to see where my truck is leaking. So I got this hooked up to that vacuum line right there, and then to this cheap Harbor Freight multi-use pump, and then got that hooked to a Seaguar. And we're going to see what happens. So far, the only place I see it coming out is right here at this connection down there. Leaking bad. Don't see any smoke elsewhere. Okay, so I established that it was definitely leaking from there, so I taped that up so I could see if I could find some more. And I'm going to do another test. Second Seaguar, classic, since my truck's a classic. Okay, there's some smoke coming from here. There's definitely some smoke coming from the cap. I don't know if it show up on camera. There's some smoke coming from the cap. Okay, so I did this vacuum smoke test, and the only place it was leaking was at that joint right there and at the cap a little bit. So I need a new cap, a new joint there, and I don't know, I didn't see any other leaks. Still testing that. Nothing's leaking over here either on this side.